Elon Musk is a name synonymous with innovation and audacity. From revolutionizing the electric car industry with Tesla to pushing the boundaries of space exploration with SpaceX, Musk's ventures always capture the world's attention. But what lies on the horizon for this visionary? Let's dive into the latest developments, including Tesla's robot factory, the anticipated Starship launch, and more. Tesla's robot factory. Imagine a world where robots are not just in factories, but also in our homes, assisting with daily chores. This isn't a sci-fi dream, but a vision Musk is turning into reality with Tesla's Optimus robot. Over the past 2 years, Tesla has developed 3 major versions of the Optimus robot design and 4 versions of its arm. These robots, which move autonomously around Tesla's offices and labs, are already performing tasks at the company's factory. In a bold move, Musk announced that Tesla plans to start producing Optimus robots for sale next year and employ about 1,000 humanoids at its factories. This development could significantly increase Tesla's value, potentially making it one of the most valuable companies in the world. The idea of having 1,000 robots working alongside humans in a factory setting is both thrilling and slightly daunting. Tesla's robots are not just confined to the factory floor. In daily operations, they showcase impressive autonomy, navigating complex environments without human intervention. This capability is a testament to the advanced AI and machine learning systems that power these machines. As we look ahead, the potential applications for such autonomous robots are vast, from healthcare to home assistance, and even beyond. Starship's next stage. SpaceX's Starship project represents a monumental leap in space travel. The 5th test flight of Starship is scheduled for the end of July, with engineers attempting to catch the first stage using its launch tower. In the event of any issues, a second stage is already being installed at the starbase, ensuring the mission stays on track. This test is crucial, not just for SpaceX, but for the future of interplanetary travel. Dubai Police and the Cybertruck. Back on Earth, Tesla's influence extends beyond just consumer markets. Recently, the Dubai Police General Command added several Cybertrucks to their fleet of luxury patrol cars. This move underscores the versatility and appeal of Tesla's vehicles, even in specialized fields like law enforcement. How might other police forces worldwide adopt similar technologies, and what advantages could these electric vehicles offer in terms of performance and sustainability? The competition heats up. In a surprising twist, Ilya Sutskever, co-founder and former senior researcher of OpenAI, announced the launch of a new project focused on creating safe superintelligence. This venture, developed in collaboration with former AI chiefs from Apple and OpenAI, aims to prioritize safety, security, and progress over commercial pressures. With offices in Palo Alto and Tel Aviv, this new competitor could reshape the landscape of AI development. OpenAI's board shakeup. OpenAI itself is undergoing significant changes. The appointment of former NSA Director Paul Nakasone to its board raised eyebrows among users concerned about surveillance and privacy. This move comes on the heels of OpenAI disbanding its group dedicated to the safe use of AI. With Sam Altman pushing for OpenAI to become a fully commercial organization, what does the future hold for this pioneering AI company? Tesla's achievements and challenges in 2024. Tesla continues to make strides in its automotive ventures. The first few months of 2024 saw the rollout of supervised full self-drive using end-to-end neural networks to customers in the US and Canada. Additionally, deliveries of the updated Model 3 are on their way in North America, with the number of Powerwalls installed worldwide surpassing 600,000 units and the Model Y receiving the highest safety rating from the IIHS. Tesla is reinforcing its position as a leader in the electric vehicle market. Musk's compensation and investor lawsuits. Despite Tesla's success, not everything is smooth sailing. Tesla investors are suing Musk for creating the company xAI, alleging that he diverted money and talent from Tesla to this new venture. This controversy adds to the already complex narrative surrounding Musk's compensation, with shareholders approving a staggering $45 billion package. While some argue that Musk deserves this compensation for his contributions, others believe it raises significant ethical and financial concerns. Advancements in robotics and AI worldwide. The field of robotics is advancing rapidly, with new humanoid robots emerging almost every week. Stanford engineers and researchers from Carnegie Mellon University have developed systems that allow robots to learn new tasks by observing human movements and through reinforcement learning. These systems, demonstrated on the low-cost H1 humanoid platform from Unitary Robotics, showcase the potential for robots to perform complex tasks autonomously. Northrop Grumman Underwater Drone. Northrop Grumman underwater drone, Manta Ray, developed for DARPA, recently passed its first test dive. This drone is designed for extended underwater missions without human control, thanks to its hydrodynamic hull and buoyancy system. Capable of operating for several months, the Manta Ray can lay low to conserve energy until it receives a command signal, making it a powerful tool for underwater exploration and surveillance. Aerial innovations, drones, and beyond. In a groundbreaking experiment, DJI engineers successfully used a drone to deliver cargo and remove garbage on Mount Everest. The Flight Cart 30 drone transported oxygen tanks and other cargo from base camp to Camp 1, 6 kilometers above sea level. This drone flight, which took just 12 minutes, demonstrates a safer and more efficient alternative to the traditional method involving local guides. Space exploration milestones. NASA recently restored data transmission from the Voyager 1 spacecraft, launched 50 years ago. Currently 15 billion miles from Earth, Voyager 1 continues to measure plasma waves, magnetic fields, and particles in interstellar space. Despite its age, some scientists believe Voyager 1 could have another 10 years left, thanks to its thermoelectric generators. Elon Musk's ventures continue to push the boundaries of what is possible, from robot factories and self-driving cars to ambitious space missions. As we look to the future, the questions and challenges these developments raise are as intriguing as the technologies themselves. Whether it's the ethical implications of AI, the potential of autonomous robots, or the mysteries of space exploration, one thing is clear. The world of technology is evolving at an unprecedented pace, and Musk is at the forefront of this exciting journey. What do you think about these developments? How do you see them impacting our world in the coming years? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Elon Musk's latest ventures, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting updates on technology and innovation.